Hello, trader. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever the time zone you are turning in from, you already know my name is AboAG001. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to learn from the video. It's not that to see the video, but to learn from the video. Kindly please stay tuned to the end so from the start to the end so that you will definitely get one or two things from the start to the end. Kindly please stay tuned. And please, as usual, for all of you that's using my signal, please kindly your proper risk management, please. Where I put the stop loss and where I put the TP. That's the proper risk management, 1:3 or 1:4. So kindly, please, I beg you. Yesterday I supposed to do a video yesterday, but due to technical analysis, technical issue, sorry, network is not good at my place yesterday, so I guess so seriously, it's paid me yesterday because some of the trade that we took on Monday, it went in our favor. And let's just say what we have today, and you know that? Let's quickly see what we have today. Let's see what the chart has for us. So before we enter, you already know our fundamental analysis. Let's see, maybe we have high impact news. Maybe there is high impact news. Today is 4:15. Yeah, this month I've divided into two. Oh Lord, God help me. And I've not been losing my life account, as I say. If you want to help me, I need help. Even $10 help, or $100 or 1,000, or you want to dash me $1,000 that this guy take $1,000. I'll be happy. Even if $100, I'll be happy. Even if $10, I'll be happy. So kindly don't forget to let me just they have took off our life. Let me just so let's see what the chart has for. This is what the market fundamental analysis has for. There's no high impact news, which means we should stay we should know how to trade the exchange. So you already know, as I used to say, news does not create trend. News does not create any trend. It just continue the trend. It just sweep what news does do is just give us volatility, sweep the liquidity, and continue the trend. It does not create any trend for us. It just give us volatility and continue the trend. So let's move into the chart and see what the chart has for us. So this is as usual. You already know we started from gold, and this is what this is. It's they just took up the lights now. Network, please. So this is today. This is another day. We are, please. Yeah. But let's move. This is weekly time frame. This is our swing high, and this is our swing low. This is our major swing low, and this is what minor swing low. This is minor swing low. This is what turning point swing low. Minor swing low. You can see it's inside it, and if it's breaking it, it's definitely this swing low is what is definitely strong swing low. So let's move to 4 hours time frame to continue the trend. Since we have seen what is happening on daily time frame, that we are in uptrend. This is 4 hour time frame, and this is what 4 hours time frame. This is the break of structure. It gives us change of character, and it gives us what break of structure. Definitely, this is demand, and this is what order block. Definitely, after market mitigated this order block. After market mitigated this order block, so this liquidity is giving us 5 of uptrend, but as for now, this has not give us break of structure. It has not give us break of structure because this is not finally break of structure. It just gives liquidity strength, and this is an opportunity for us to take the uptrend. This is an opportunity for us to take the uptrend. We are taking the uptrend from here because that is what order block. That is minor demand, but on 1 hour, we are going to change this to order block. This is break of structure, internal break of structure, and this is where the opportunity is, and we are expecting the trend here. So to let's move to 1 hour, and this is the supply that is trying to push the market down. You can see this supply has mitigated as far as resistance. So definitely market is going to break this resistance for us. You can see it has turned to resistance. This is key level. It has turned to resistance for us. So this is what is happening. Market has turned to resistance for us. So we are expecting the market to broken it to test and continue. And this is where we are taking our take profit now. This is the next key level we are taking our take profit because there's SFEG here. So let's now move to 1 hour time frame to redefine this opportunity, this fresh opportunity. This is the fresh opportunity, and this is what the market is trying to give us. You can see this is what the market is trying to give us. This is where we are having the opportunity now, and we are having what we are having uptrend, and our stop loss will be below this, and our take profit will be this next supply. This will be our next this our take profit. This is our next supply for take profit. Market will mitigate this key level, retest. After retesting, continue the uptrend. This is what we are seeing on gold. We are buying massive buy on gold. So this is really where the opportunity is. If market trigger it, we are in. So we are still in. So we are still in. Be expecting uptrend. Be expecting uptrend. We are still in. Let me see I've placed this trade since yesterday night. Since yesterday midnight. Today midnight. Sorry. What's yesterday midnight? Around 12 o'clock. I've placed this trade. This is the opportunity that I'm seeing in the market. So let's just I'm not trading live account because I'm using my competition account to trade because my live account was is I do not have money. That's why I said I need help. If you can help me, I will give you. That's why I say if you can help me, if you can give me $100, $1,000 or $10 save, I will really appreciate. So we are taking up trend. So this is you can see. Let me I'm not lying. I'm using demo for the you can see I register foreignness profile. So there is competition there. So that is the account I'm trading. I'm using it to trade it since I don't have capital, so since I'm not doing that, I cannot be just analyzing the market. I gotta be putting it inside. So this is what I'm seeing in the market. But we gotta be patient. If we see this candle, this recent candle that just opened, this 11 candle that just opened, that closes, that just closes, and this definitely this is swap candle. We can just buy the market like that. You understand? You can just buy the market. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. Let's see what 15-minute time frame is still doing. This is what 15-minute time frame is giving us. There's still opportunity. So let's wait if we can see a sell from here to here, but I'm not taking the sell though. I've said I don't want to be taking like I don't want to be trading like beginner anymore, like professional. So I don't want to be taking trade anyhow. The reason why I can take this buy is because if this candle closes with full body candle that the does not exceed this weak candle, or it closes like this, as weak candle closes and this candle closes with full body like this, that the weak candle does not exceed this weak candle. Definitely, I will just join the buy, put the surplus below this recent candle. So this is what I'm seeing on gold. Let's move to silver. Network. Don't do anyhow to do. This is silver. You can see this is our swing high, and this is our swing low here, and this is our recent internal swing low. These are our internal swing low here. Let's just see what the market has for us. Since we have seen the market is in uptrend. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. Let's see what 4 hour time frame is telling us. I say I don't know. This is what happened yesterday that I could not drop the video. The analysis of yesterday on. You can see what the market, what the network is trying to do. So I'm praying to succeed. After succeeding, I will just be buying. I will just be using Starlink because of you traders. So this is what is happening now. This is supply. The market has not mitigated the supply. But let's just read this market now. Let's read this market from here. This is break of structure. This is change of character. This is break of structure. Market swept this liquidity go up. This is break of structure. You can see this is the trade I took yesterday, but I did not enter. So this is what we are having today. So this is our next demand now because liquidity has been already swept. This is our next demand now. You can see this is our next demand now. But since liquidity has said we got the patience, so let's move to 1 hour because there is what this is break of structure. But let's move to 1 hour to see that break of structure very well. But let's see where the next supply is that the market what can mitigate it before anything. This is the supply. This is the break of structure. You can see this is the break of structure here. You can see the break of structure. All this one are just key level, internal key level. This is the main supply. So we are expecting the market to what to continue the uptrend. To continue the uptrend, we are expecting the supply. We are expecting the take profit here. So market will expect those we first expected those key level, this turning point key level. You can see first we expected it. So let's move to 1 hour to see the reset trend on 1 hour time frame. My network is I don't know what happens to this network that is doing like this. So let's see what the market is trying to do. So this is 1 hour time frame. And as I said, we are having this is break of structure. You can see the break of structure, and we are having other block here. The reason why if as I said on good also, the reason why I can join this buy if this as this candle open like this, closes with full body candle, definitely I will just join the buy. But if they were so this is where I'm expecting the market to mitigate it before we continue the buy. This is the best opportunity because this I it has touched this so we are still expecting the market to mitigate it here before we can see uptrend. So I'm expecting the uptrend from here. Yesterday, this is the trade I took yesterday, but market did not take me in. I enter, but market does not take me in. I do not know why. Market does not trigger me in seriously, and it went in my favor. So missing trade is better than losing trade. So as for me, I've counted as what as learning. So I've counted as learning. So I'm still expecting another buy. And this way we are expecting the buy. So let's be focused. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. What is happening now? My network is giving me problem. For those of you, you can see that I seriously need help. Seriously, I'm exhausted with the data, so I got subscribe again. Yeah, so yeah, this is as usual sliver. This is where we are at, the concentrating of character, and we are saying we are buying. So let's just this is where the market is, but definitely market is going up. Just don't put TP because if market reach here, it will broke here, retest and continue up. This is the way we are expecting the market is to mitigate this supply. Is the way we are expecting the market to mitigate it. And this is the supply we are using. But markets will use those internal supply, you understand? Internal supply, and as for us, this is the first supply, and market is coming back here. So this is what the 1 hour is giving us. We are taking our buy from here. Even so, this one too, I've seen this analysis since yesterday, and I've placed it since yesterday. So we are buying from here. We are seeing the uptrend. We are seeing the uptrend out. We are seeing the uptrend. So let's move to US 30. So you can see market is coming back to this entry. So this is, yeah, this is interior. Yeah, and this is, you can see this is Monday trade, but we are not doing crypto now. Let's move to US 30. This is US 30. And this is US 30, and you can see this is where we are. This is our swing high. This is where the market is coming. This is our last swing high. You can see this is market has mitigated, has broken this supply. This is another next supply market is coming to. This this is supply. This is first supply. This is the next supply. But this is why there's FEG. So market is coming. We are seeing what we are seeing an uptrend. Market is coming to this supply. That supply can make it retrace, but this is where the market is. What we are now, you can see that we are in what we are in uptrend. We are in uptrend. This is our swing low now. This is our swing high now. So this swing low, we can just say we are expecting it to break this high and this higher high, this high, and give us another higher high. So we can say this is swing. This is definitely, this place is what is very strong. But as for now, let's just continue. Let's continue the trend. Let's continue the trend. We are in uptrend. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see the where we can see the opportunity. Let's take in this one. This is recent break of structure for us. This is recent break of structure for us. And this is where the opportunity is. Sorry for that. On 4 hours, this is the demand. This is the minor demand. You can see this is the minor demand because this is a liquidity swept. This is an liquidity swept. You can see this is an liquidity swept. And market mitigated this. So we are expecting the market to come back here, to come back to this liquidity before we can see an uptrend. And on daily time frame, this is where the market is. This is where the market is. This is where the market is. This is the supply the market is. You can see we have break of structure here also. And this is the supply the market is. Let's see if this supply is going to push it. This is the supply the market is. So if this supply pushes down, so we are expecting the market to mitigate this demand, this manual demand. We are expecting the market to mitigate this manual demand. Since we are in uptrend, and the reason why this manual demand is what is valid because it's a liquidity swept here. There's a liquidity swept over there. So we are expecting another bullish. This is where we are expecting our bullish. We are expecting bullish here. These are take profits. We are taking our profits here because market will just retest here. And this you can see this place has turned to what? Has turned to market will just retest. After retest, continue the downtrend. You can see because this has come to key level. Has come to resistance. First touch, second touch, and third touch. We are expecting the market to come here, continue the uptrend. Let me see. I think I placed this one also. So we are in uptrend on what US 30. US 30 is a stock market too. US 30 is a stock market. This is where you are expecting the buy. So we are expecting the buy from here. US30 is a stock market, so we guys be patient. It's a US30 means 30 company in USA. So if you are buying shares in that store, in that company. If you are selling shares in that company also. So definitely what we can, if you want to redivide this entry, you can redivide this entry because there's what liquidity here. So market may just come back here, save this liquidity. Let's put it at 50. You can see market may just come back there, save that liquidity and continue the uptrend. So this is what we are expecting. If we use Fibonacci retracement, you can see if we use Fibonacci retracement, so we are expecting the market to save this liquidity here before we can continue the uptrend. So this is what we are having. This is what we are having on US30. So let's move to GU, which is GBPUSD. No, before we move to GBPUSD, let's move to 1 hour time frame on what on this. You can see this is an 1 hour time frame, and this 1 hour time frame is giving us a vibe of what you can see. We are receiving an order block here, but this order block is not valid for me because on 4 hours we are following 4 hours. 4 hours is the main structure. This will serve as liquidity for me because 4 hours is giving us valid break of structure from there. So let's just wait for 15 minutes for 4 hours to give us this entry. This is where I'm expecting this demand. This 4 hours demand is the way I'm expecting the market. All this one will serve as liquidity. They will serve as liquidity because they are internal. They are inside internal, but market market may respect it sometimes, but I'm seeing them as liquidity for me. Let's say inducement. We are seeing them as inducement. This is an inducement market. This is an inducement market, seriously. So let's move to GU. Let's see what GU is trying to do. This is GU from daily. Sorry. Oh, from daily time frame. Let's see what is happening from daily time frame. This is daily time frame, and you can see the market is going uptrend. But definitely market is coming here because there's key level here. You can see this is an resistance market. This is an resistant market. This is an resistant market. So market is coming here. So let's move to this is our swing high, and this is our swing, but this will be our swing low now. This will be our swing low now. So let's move to daily time frame. Let's see the recent trend on daily time frame. This is the recent trend on daily time frame. This is the way my market broken, and we are seeing break. This is where the market is. This is an opportunity. This is an resistance because this is the first touch, this is the second touch, this is the third touch. So there is FEG here in which we are expecting the market to push the market up. If you are expecting the buy again, this is where we are expecting the buy. We are expecting the buy from here. This is where we are expecting the buy, and our stop loss will be here. So let's move to 1 hour time frame to see the opportunity. This is where we are. This 1 hour time, but this is SAWAS liquidity. You can see this SAWAS liquidity. But let's follow this. Let's follow this 4 hours FEG because there's skill level over here. You can see there is skill level here. So because there is skill level there, so that skill level may push it up. So this is where we are expecting our take profits now. This next supply. This is the next supply we are expecting on 4 hours time frame. This is the supply we are expecting to take the profits now because there is skill level over there. That is the next supply we are taking the profits now. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. You can see the 1 hour time frame. There's FEG here. So let's be expecting the market here. So we are expecting the market over here. So let's see 15 minute time. If you can see that this sell join, we can if you want to join this sell, this is how you can join this sell. This is an this is the liquidity swept market. This is break of structure. This is market structure shift, and this is change of card. This is what this is break. This is break of structure. But let's see 1 hour. 1 hour. Let's use 1 hour key level. I'm expecting 1 hour key level. This is where the market is broken. So if you want to join the market now, you can just join the market. You can just join the sell. As for me, if you want to join the sell, you can join the sell. But me, I'm not joining any sell. I'm anticipating for this buy. This buy is okay for me. I'm not joining any trade. That is what that I don't know what I'm doing. Is either I wait for my setup to market should trigger it before continuing the option. So joining of trade is not for me anymore. Seriously. So I'm taking my buy here. If market not trigger me in, as I used to say, I learned something. Missing trade is better than what losing trade. If market does not trigger me in, that's the missing trade. I know that an analysis is market does not trigger me in. So I'll be anticipating for another opportunity. But joining the trade and market should be taking me in and out before I see the set of self. That is not for me anymore. So let's move to EU. I think they are the same opportunity on EU also. On daily time frame, this is our swing high. This is why we're expecting the market to mitigate it before anything. This is our swing high, and this is our what? This is our swing low. But now this is our swing low now because market has mitigated this major demand. Sorry, this is our swing low now, minus swing low. So let's just see this bit of you can see change of character. After this change of character, we are expecting what? We are expecting uptrend. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. For 4 hour time frame, this is the FEG market mitigated. You can see this is the FEG market mitigated, but the next TP is here. This is the next TP, but that TP is going to give us what? Bearish downtrend. Seriously, because there's liquidity there. We are going to see a retracement market from here. Seriously. Because FEG is there and these are liquidity. On 4 hour time frame, this is break of structure, this is another break of structure. And definitely this is the market, this is the supply that is pushing the market down. This is the FEG that is pushing the market down. You can see the FEG that is pushing the market down. So this place will turn as key level now. This is turn as key level resistance for us. So definitely this is the break of structure here and this is the FEG over here. So we are taking an opportunity from here. This is an opportunity and are taking our stop loss here. Our stop loss will be large. We are taking our stop loss there. So this is what we are seeing in the market. Yes, these are tight stop loss seriously. This is what I'm seeing. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. You can see this is what 1 hour time frame is give us also. This is what 1 hour time frame gave us also. Definitely we guys be patient before we can take any trade. So we are taking another buy from here. This on 1 hour time frame is giving us type of what break of structure here. On GU, they did not give us. On GU also is giving us type of break of structure over there. But let's follow 4 hour FEG because 4 hour FEG is very what is very there's very opportunity there because you can see on GU there's key level here. On EU here on 4 hour time frame, there's what five key level here. You can see this is key level, this is key level, this is turning point, first touch, second touch before market broken it. So definitely market is coming here back. This is where the market is coming because this is the first touch. You can see this is the second touch and this is the third touch. If we use this thing for those that if if we go to 15 minute time frame, we see that there is opportunity there than this place. Does this place serve as liquidity? But 1 hour time frame, we cannot say what 1 hour time frame is about. This will serve as liquidity for me. See, serious on 4 hour time frame, you can see it serve as liquidity for us, but on 1 hour time frame, it serve as an opportunity. But on 1 hour time frame, it serve as opportunity. But let's use, if we said we should use 1 hour time frame, this is break of structure, and this is an order block here. This is another block here. And let's just be looking if that other block is going to hold it. On G also, this is an opportunity, and this is an opportunity. This is another block here. Let's see if this on G also, this is an opportunity here. This is another block here. Let's see if that opportunity, if that GU is going to hold it, but for that 4 hours is the one that is going to attract the market, because 4 hours too is stronger than the 1 hour time frame. So let's say we are buying from here again. So on let's say we are buying from here again. This opportunity is not valid for me. You can see this one is not, it's not even valid for us. Let's say we are buying from here, and this is the break of structure. This is the break of structure. And let's say we are taking out the period. So this is where this is what the market is giving us. So let's move to UJ. Let's start from this is our swing high. You can see this swing high, and this is our swing low. You can see, but this is serving as liquidity because it's internal. Yes, you can see this is our swing high, previous swing high, and these are previous swing low, sorry, and these are previous swing high. You can see break of structure, and these are our recent swing high, and these are our recent swing low. But market has given us was straight liquidity over here on daily time frame. You can see liquidity straight on daily time frame. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. Let's see what 4 hour time frame is trying to do. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what the market is trying to do, but we cannot see any opportunity on 4 hour time frame. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is doing. You can see market respected this place because it's a liquidity swept. You can see a liquidity swept market. Market respected it because it is a liquidity swept market. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is giving us. This is 1 hour time frame. This is an FVG the market expected. You can see on 1 hour time frame we are having break of structure here, and we are having change of character over here. We have a break of structure here. We have a change of character here. Change of character. This is a break of structure, and this is a break of structure. And you can see what we are having, but what the market is doing, market mitigated this FEG. There's small FEG here. Market mitigated this FEG. You can see where the market mitigated. So market mitigated that small FEG is the one that is trying to push the market up. You will see is the one that is trying to push the market up. Let's use this as is one that is one trying to push the market up. But on 1 hour time frame, what we are having, this is what we are having. After the liquidity swept, we are having what market structure shifts. market structure shift. Here's my face to where. After the market structure shift, market came back to this liquidity. So market is giving us vibe of what uptrend. So to take this trend, let's just take, we are expecting the break and retest over here. So my stop loss will be here. This are already mitigated. There is FEG over here. Let's sell here. Let's move to 15-minute time frame if you can see opportunity. So I'm expecting the sell. That says it's fine. If you can see break of structure on 15-minute time frame, definitely the market is coming back here. If you see break of structure, recent break of structure, market is coming back here. After the market is coming back here, definitely we are going uptrend. We are going uptrend, and this is where we are expecting our take profit. You can see there's FEG over there. Let me see this FEG on 15-minute time frame. So this is what we are expecting. We are expecting take profit here. There is market zone here. This FEG is a market zone for us. We are taking our profit here. Take profit over there. So this is what we are expecting. So I'm still expecting the buy. I'm expecting the buy. Let's see break of structure. If you see break of structure, market is coming back to mitigate this FEG. After mitigated this FEG, we are going up way. Let's just wait for you can see. Let's just wait to see break of structure. Our market is coming to fill this FEG. After the FEG, up way. We are taking our profit here. So this is what I'm seeing on UJ. Let's move to GG. From daily time frame, so GG has give us what? Break of structure. You can see GG has give us break of structure here. GG has give us break of structure. Let's see the key level we have. Come on. There's no key level here, but let's go for 1 hour time frame. Let's see maybe there's key level on weekly time frame. The market is still valid. The market is going to break this one place. After breaking it, retest and continue the uptrend. You can see. So daily time frame is giving us break of structure here. You can see market has broken this swing high, and this will be our swing low now. This has already been deleted. This will be our swing low now, and this will be our major demand. This is our major demand now. This is our major demand now, and this is our manual demand now. If market is trying to come back, because we have FEG here. This is our manual demand now. We guys be patient. This is our manual demand now, because we have break of structure inside it. We have internal break of structure, and these are major break of structure, and these are swing high now. So if we see another retracement, definitely we are pulling our swing below. This are our swing low now, and these are our swinger. These are previous swinger. So definitely we have. Let's move to 4 hours if you can see opportunity of 4 hours time frame. On 4 hour time frame, if we said we should redefine this will serve as liquidity swept, and definitely the market is coming here because it's a liquidity swept, because you can see there's FEG here. So let's redefine this opportunity very well. Some will say this as what? This as other block, but for me, this is a demand for us. But we guys take this demand for us. But if you take this demand, you can see our stop loss will be large. But because liquidity swept from here, we guys take it here. So definitely market may come back here because there's FEG here. So this is manual. We are expecting the market to mitigate here before you can see the uptrend. So let's just see the recent trend now. This is an recent trend of 4 hour time frame. We are seeing outside for break of structure here. On 4 hour time frame, this is a break of structure here. And we are having what? We are having other block here. You can see this is where the market mitigated. Other block over here. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's move to 1 hour time frame to see the trend very well. What's happened to network again? Subhanallah. I thought my sub has finished. That's why I shouted Subhanallah. So let's see what the market is trying to do. This is break of structure here. If we define that 4 hours time, if we define that 4 hours break of structure, this is what this is the five that is giving us. On 1 hour time frame, this is the five that is giving us. Giving us break of structure here. You can see the break of structure because this is five break of structure. So market mitigated here. So I'm saying let's just define this break of structure to down because there is what this is an liquidity for me. This is on liquidity for me. So I'm expecting the market to mitigate it here before you can see any bullish up. So I'm still expecting the bullish from here. So our stop loss will be here. This will serve as liquidity if market come back. If market come back, so let's see if market can come here, give us valid uptrend. This is what I'm seeing. So let's quickly go to crypto. Let's see what crypto is giving us. Let's see the vibes of crypto. BTC. What do you have for us? You can see this is our Monday setup, and you can see markets went in our favor 1:7. You can see. And let me see Ethereum also. Ethereum also you can see our setup. So let's see do an analysis. Let's see what opportunity market has for us on analysis from daily time frame. This is what we are still expecting the market to mitigate. You can see this is key level here. So let's just screen all this chocos. Let's see what market has for us. So we are having break of structure here. This is break of structure we are having here. On daily time frame, you see that with that this is an uptrend for us. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. Let's see where the opportunities is for. This is 4 hour time frame, and this is what we are having on 4 hour time frame. We are having break of structure here, and we are having opportunity. This is the demand, major demand, minor demand on 4 hour time frame. We are having minor demand on 4 hour time frame. This is where the market is. This phase has turned to key level, so we are expecting the market to mitigate it. We are expecting the market up here. On 4 hour time frame, this is they can see the break of structure here. So this is where we are expecting the market. Let's just buy from here. We are buying the market from here. Let's see what the market has for us. This is where our TP will be. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's 1 hour time frame for this 1 hour time frame. This is the break of structure we are having on 1 hour time frame. But as I used to say, is either the market, so I should miss the market, is either I miss the market than to be trading, than to be taking any trade, any out trade. You can see we have break of structure here, and market has showed this liquidity here. So market is coming down. So let's see if the market can come down, come and mitigate this opportunity. If this market mitigated this opportunity, definitely we are taking the uptrend. But let's just be fair, because on the end we are having what? We are having internal break of structure, and this internal break of structure serves as liquidity for me, because there's FEG here. They serve as liquidity trend. It's liquidity trend line for me. If market does not expect this is because you can, the market does not respect it. This serve as is our breaker block. It serve as breaker block for me. It serve as breaker block for me. And you can see the breaker block. So definitely the market is coming down. For those of you that is expecting this downtrend, please apply proper risk management. But I'm still expecting the market to come and mitigate it. I'm still expecting is the valid, this is the opportunity I'm seeing. I'm not this opportunity. You guys, use proper risk management. You can see if you want to take this trade, please proper risk management before you take it on 50-minute time frame. Let's see what 50-minute time frame is trying to do. This is 50-minute time frame. This is change of character. Market mitigated this FEG because all this. So let us be patient. Me, I'm patient to take this trade, but I'm not taking this trade. I'm expecting the buy. But for those of you who the traders want to take this, please proper risk management. You can see apply proper risk management before you can take this trade, please. Apply proper risk management. Let's move to Ethereum. Let's see what is happening on Ethereum. This is what is happening on Ethereum from daily time frame. You can see the key level for daily time frame is giving us. Market already be breaking it. So let's just delete all this our analysis. So market is giving us recent break of structure on what? On daily time frame. Break of structure, and these are what? These are valid demand. Yeah. These are manual demand. Let's move to 4 hour time frame to redefine that demand. You can see the manual demand. So let's just redefine this demand and take this. So I'm expecting what? I'm still expecting the buy from here again on Ethereum. If you are expecting the buy, take the buy. Where are we expecting our stop loss? Let's just see where we can see our stop loss. I'm expecting this will start skill level. This is skill level for me. Let's see daily time frame. Maybe there's skill level for us. There's no key level, but on 4 hour time frame, this is a key level. This is a key level because this is break of structure. This is break of structure. So I'm expecting the take profit here. This take profit. So this is where we are expecting the market. If you can see, we are expecting the market see on 4 hour time frame. This is the market zone because there's FEG. You can see on BTC also. On BTC also, sorry for that. This is the market. This is the magnet zone because you can see. So let's just see what the market is trying to do. On 1 hour time frame, let's see the sell, maybe the sell is trapping or it's happening on 1 hour time frame too. On 1 hour time frame, this is what? This is the break of structure. Let's see liquidity strength market. So let's see if the market is trying to come down. How are we going to take this trade? Is if you want to take this trade, Just wait for the market to break this place. If market can break that lower low, let market break the lower low and continue the downtrend. This you can just join the trend now. This is an liquidity swept. So be expecting the market CP here because it's already liquidity swept from there. So let's divide it here. You can see this is a liquidity swept for us over here. So we're expecting the market to come back here. So this is what I'm expecting on Ethereum. Trader, please kindly don't forget the stop loss. Apply proper risk management. So let this candle close. If this candle close definitely we are taking the what? We are taking the buy. Let's see. So if this candle close, we are taking the buy. It has turned to liquidity sweep there. So let's just see what. Oh, you should move to 15-minute time frame. Sorry for that. You should move to 15-minute time frame. If you see 15-minute time, if market broken this place of 15-minute time frame, take the retest and continue the uptrend. So on 15-minute time frame, it's giving us the 5 also of what liquidity sweep you can see, because there's no opportunity on 15-minute time frame to take the trade anymore. So let's just wait. Let's use Fibonacci retracement. So we can just take let this candle close. If this candle close, you can just take the buy. You can just take the buy. So let's be expecting the buy from here. Let's move to, let's see gold. Gold also, let's be expecting the buy from there also. This is on liquidity sweep. Let's be expecting the buy from there also. Before we can expect the buy, if you can see break of structure, if market break, this is because break of structure here. This is break of structure here. Another block here on 50-minute time frame. Just wait for the market to break this other block and continue the uptrend. On sliver also, just wait for this is what break of structure here. And other block here. Just wait for the market. If you can see the downtrend again to mitigate this other block before you can continue the uptrend, or market broken it. After market broken it, definitely we are continuing the uptrend. This is what I'm seeing in the market, trader. So kindly stay tuned, use proper risk management, have a successful and profitable trade in your trading journey, and in other skills you are doing. Peace and love. Thanks.